Hello friends, in this video we are going to see viscosity numerical. So as you can see on the screen, I'll read the question. An incompressible fluid having kinematic viscosity 7.4 into 10 to the power minus 7 meters per second, having specific gravity 0.88, is held between two parallel plates. If the top plate is moved with a velocity of 0.5 meter per second and the bottom one is held stationary, the fluid attains a linear velocity profile in the gap of 0.5 mm between the plates. Question is, find the shear stress in pascals on the surface of top plate. Correct. So we'll draw the diagram. First we'll draw the diagram and then we'll write the given data. So as you can see from the question that it is a question from the viscosity and two parallel plates. So we'll draw the two parallel plates. We'll draw the two parallel plates and linear velocity profile between the two plates. Linear velocity profile will draw. So this is the dy distance from the plate. Yeah, so this is the linear velocity profile you can see. Now we'll make the labeling for the diagram. What are the possible labeling as per the given data you can see. So an incompressible fluid having kinematic viscosity. We'll also keep on writing the given data. So given data I'm writing here. First of all, kinematic viscosity nu. What is the symbol here? Nu equal to 7.4 into 10 to the power of minus 7 meters square per second. Units are very important. Please take care of the units, everyone. Then specific gravity S equal to 0.88. So what is the use of specific gravity? There is no direct formula for S. Whenever a specific gravity is given, you have to multiply by 1000 to get the density of the fluid. So this details as given for the fluid is held between two parallel plates. If the top plate is moving with a velocity, look at this. The top plate is moving with a velocity u is equal to 0.5. U equal to 0.5 meter per second. 0.5 meter per second. While the bottom one is held stationary. So bottom one, I'll draw the stationary lines like this so that it will tell you that this plate velocity is u equal to 0 meter per second. U equal to 0. And I'll write here u1 and u2. And this is a dy distance between the two plates, between the top and bottom plate. This angle, let us consider d theta, very, very small angle, d theta. Correct? And this is your linear velocity profile. Linear velocity profile. And what is the question now? Find the shear stress in Pascal. Tau we have to find out here on the top plate. So starting with the solution, you can see here, your tau is equal to mu into du by dy. This is the general formula and most common formula for finding shear stress. But mu is not given directly. But we know the formula of kinematic viscosity. Kinematic viscosity in nu is equal to mu by rho. From this we can write mu is equal to nu into rho. Kinematic viscosity into density into du by dy. Correct? So what is nu here? Given in the question 7.4 into 10 to the power minus 7. Substituting the value of nu and density is not given, so specific gravity is here. So multiply by 1000, you will get 880. Correct? 880 kg per meter cube into du. Du is your u2 minus u1. So 0.5 minus 0 is your 0.5. That is your du. And what is dy? What is dy? I'll tell you. So divided by this equation, divided by your dy. What is dy? Dy is a 0.5. dy is given in the question. You can see how much dy. Yeah, 0.5 mm. That is, I have not mentioned. I will write it here again. dy is equal to 0.5 mm. mm must be converted into meter. So I will write here 0.5 into 10 to the power of -3. Correct. So this is now the left part is calculation here. So if you do this calculation, 7.4 into 10 to the power -7 into 880 into 0.5 divided by 0.5 into 10 to the power -3, you will be getting this answer 0.6512 after correct calculation. The unit will be a Newton per meter square. Correct. So which option is correct? Look at the given option. It is equal to B, right? So the correct answer is B here. B is the right answer. Okay. Thank you.